Take a look at this 2012 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This Tundra 4WD truck has just under 28,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Tundra 4WD truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the black, 4-piece carpet floor mats with door sill protector, 50-state emissions, graphite, leather trim, memory package, voice-activated DVD navigation system with backup monitor, TRD off-road package, and the power tilt and slide moonroof with sliding sunshade. Call 877-705-4076 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.